Dear viewers, listeners, and readers. Assalamu alaikum. The employees of public and private sectors often fall in confusion how to know about the laws, rules, and regulations governing their respective service. In such condition they remain unaware of their duties and rights. Consequently, they fall prey to confusion and feel handicapped to ensure service delivery as required. Sometimes they lose their jobs. Departments/organizations also suffer. In order to sensitize the employees, this lecture series has been prepared. It is also aimed at creating awareness about various laws, rules, and regulations and aspects of public administration. The content of the lecture shall not be quoted in any kind of legal matter or reproduce in making legal claim, etc. I hope that the series will help the employees to know various laws/rules, understand different dynamics/aspects of their respective employment, and get them prepared for discharging their duties and responsibilities with peace of mind and up to the optimum level with efficiency and dedication in the public interest. The lecture series. Today lecture number 11 of the series is presented to honorable viewers, listeners, and readers. Topic of the lecture is insurance service in Pakistan. There are more than 35 insurance companies in Pakistan. These are providing insurance services in different areas. Insurance company is registered with Security and Exchange Commission of Pakistan. The insurance companies are established in public and private sector. They are mainly rendering services in the following areas: life insurance, motor vehicle insurance, health insurance, aviation insurance, cargo insurance, insurance of products, marine insurance, property, liability insurance, travel, credit card insurance, accident, burglary insurance. The insurance companies are bound to provide services under the relevant law and laid down legal procedure. The government of Pakistan has taken various steps to ensure insurance services in better, smooth and protected way. The Insurance Ordinance was promulgated in 2000. It has jurisdiction all over Pakistan. Part 16 of the Ordinance provides for Insurance Ombudsman. Section 125 of the Ordinance IBID says Government of Pakistan to appoint the Insurance Ombudsman. Section 127 provides jurisdiction, functions, and powers of Insurance Ombudsman. These are as under: 1. The Insurance Ombudsman on complaint by an aggrieved person undertake any investigation into any allegation of maladministration on the part of any insurance company, provided that Insurance Ombudsman shall not have any jurisdiction to investigate or inquire into any matters which a. are within the jurisdiction of the Office of Wafaki Motasab under the establishment of the Office Wafaki Motasab, Ombudsman, Order 1983, or b. are sub judice before a court of competent jurisdiction or tribunal or board in Pakistan on the date of the receipt of a complaint, reference, or motion by him. Section 128 of the Ordinance IBID provides that court or tribunal trying a case relating to an insurance company is of the opinion that the management of the insurance company has prima facie acted in a mala fide manner, or in violation of insurance rules and regulations. It may make reference to the Insurance Ombudsman for inquiring into the matter and passing such order in accordance with the provisions hereof as he may deem fit, provided that the making of a reference shall not prevent the court or tribunal from deciding the claim before it on its merits. Section 129 of the said Act provides for lodging complaint against insurance company before the Insurance Ombudsman. Section 121 of the Ordinance IBID provides for the establishment of tribunal or tribunals. According to it, the federal government shall constitute a tribunal or tribunals in consultation with the Commission and shall in respect of each tribunal so constituted specify the territorial limits within which, or the class or classes of cases in respect of which each such tribunal shall exercise jurisdiction under this ordinance. provided that the federal government may by notification in the official gazette confer all or any of the powers of the tribunal on any district or additional district judge and sessions judge of area where for any reason it may not be expedient to constitute a separate tribunal, and in doing so the federal government shall also specify the composition and pecuniary and territorial limits of such a tribunal. Section 122 provides for the powers of tribunal. According to it, following are the powers of the tribunal. A. In the exercise of its civil jurisdiction, have in respect of a claim filed by a policy holder against an insurance company in respect of, or arising out of a policy insurance, all the powers vested in a civil court under the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908. B. In the exercise of its criminal jurisdiction, try the offences punishable under this ordinance, and shall, for this purpose, have the same powers as are vested in the Court of Sessions under the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1908. C. Exercise and perform such powers and functions as are, or may be, conferred upon, or assigned to it, by or under this ordinance, and d. In all matters with respect to which procedure has not been provided in this ordinance, follow the procedure laid down in the Code of Civil Procedure, 1908 or the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1898 as the case may be. Section 124 of the aforementioned ordinance provides an opportunity to file appeal against the decision of the tribunal. It says, any party aggrieved by a decision of the tribunal may, if the amount of the claim in dispute or the penalty prescribed, as the case may be, is not less than 100,000 rupees, prefer an appeal to High Court within a period of 30 days from the days of such decision. A person desires to get insurance policy may contact the relevant insurance company. Such person must explore whether the insurance company is registered with the concerned agency under the relevant law. Moreover, the person must visit office of the concerned insurance company instead of contacting irrelevant person. It will save person from extra charges, ensure safe transaction of insurance and proper enforcement and implementation of law of the land. It will also save a person and country from any illegal transaction and loss of money. For further information, please refer Insurance Ombudsman Ordinance 2000. It is very comprehensive document to deal with insurance matters.